Hello, this is Professor Lenis. We are going to prepare some demonstrations for the labs so you can follow your procedure according with the protocol that is online. You can download this from the website. I'm going to explain you every step. So my recommendation is prepare this document in front of you and you follow what we are doing here. You are going to do the actual demonstration for the experiment. 3 parts. First, we are going to follow the handout from the website. That's the website that you get the handout. And the experiment we are going to do is the empirical formula of a copper oxide. What is the objective? The objective is to find the empirical formula of a copper oxide. We have 2 options of copper oxides. We are going to discuss that later. And the materials you're going to need are solid copper oxide. I'll show you that. Zinc metal in a hydrogen generator bottle. And also 3 molar sulfuric acid. We will need a large test tube, brand new, a small test tube, 2 beakers, 100 ml each. We will need a Bunsen burner, also calcium sulfate in a drying tube. Let's talk about safety before we continue. What are the safety precautions for this lab? We need to wear safety goggles, like those. Also, we need to wear gloves. I'm wearing now nitrile gloves. And just follow the instructions. All right, so let me show you what we have here step by step on your handout. Again, I would recommend have this ready. You can pause the video, get this document in front of you, and then you follow step by step what we are doing here. So the purpose is to find the formula of a copper oxide. You may have this copper 1 oxide or copper 2 oxide. Our job is to find which one of those we have. How? Here is the way we are going to do it. We know that copper oxide reacts with hydrogen gas to form copper solid. This is pure copper solid, and we all know the color of the copper solid. Also, we will get as a byproduct water, gas. Another way to do this is using carbon monoxide. Today, we are going to do the demonstration using only hydrogen gas. How do we get the hydrogen gas? That's why we are going to use a gas generator. A gas generator uses this reaction. Aqueous sulfuric acid solution, we are going to use 3 molar solution, and solid zinc metal. That reaction, and we know the reaction of any active metal and a strong acid forms hydrogen gas. And this is the hydrogen gas we are going to use here. The byproduct is a salt, zinc sulfate. I'm going to stop here and then we go to do the actual lab.